Do you mind? Thank you. Hey guys, what's going on? Thank you for coming back to my channel. Ranger will not leave me alone. He was in the crate for a while because I was on the phone. And I don't want to put him back in there, so just gonna have to deal with his little floppy ears. That's all I can fit through the video. But okay, you're gonna have to go over there. Okay? No, go. 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 Ranger. No, come on. Hello guys, what's going on? Thank you for coming back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. If you are not, thank you for coming back. If you guys are having a good day whenever you're watching this, despite the circumstances, I know you guys, it's been a little crazy to say the least. For today's video, I really debated on what I was going to film today. I didn't know if I was just going to go straight on into like a normal video for myself, or if I wanted to like sit down and talk about obviously what's been going on right now in our world, in my life, like just everything. I feel like it wouldn't be right for me not to like address things, but I also said on Instagram the other day that I didn't want to talk about it anymore. But I feel like if I just do like a video being really honest with you guys and then moving on to normal content, I would feel a lot better. So that's what we're going to do today. I'm going to be doing like a makeup look. I don't know exactly what I'm going to do, but I know that I want color. Like, I need color. I need to feel, like, alive. I need to feel awake. Oh, no, Ranger is coming. I just want to feel, like, happy and, like, bright and normal. I don't ever do color, so this will be, like, a big step for me, too. I've already moisturized my skin. I'm going to go ahead and pull my hair back. If you guys don't know, in case you didn't know, I love Casey Holmes, and she's been doing these really cute, like, hair pull back things with like these hair scarves, and it looks so cute. And of course I have to do everything that she does, so we're gonna pull her hair back with a scarf. Okay, whenever she does this, she literally looks so cute, and this is just like not working for me. This is a big no. Like, what is this? I'm gonna go ahead and moisturize my skin. I'm gonna go in with my Becca Ever Matte Poreless Perfecting Primer. This stuff works so good. Alright, let's just start talking about everything, I guess. I feel like I don't really know like where to begin either. Like, everything has just been so weird, you guys. Like, this week has been like honestly one of the roughest weeks for me. I know obviously everyone is going through this, but I just kind of want to touch on like myself. I guess we'll start from the beginning of the week, like kind of how like my mental state has been, how I've been coping with things, what I've learned this week. Everything hit like last Thursday when everyone was like freaking out. The stores were like out of like a lot of things. Like, it was just very crazy. I know for me, like last Friday, my boss, well, we had got sent like out an email saying like that the office was going to be closed, and if you can, like, you need to work remotely from home. And obviously, like, I work part-time at a radio station. There is no way for me to work remotely. So I reached out to my boss, and she said, don't come in and work on Friday. Normally on Fridays, I do office work for her, and then I cover the girls' front desk break. And she said not to come in, so I didn't. And then she reached out to me over the weekend and said if I could come in on Monday and kind of cover the front desk and just stay for a couple hours and help out her and do some other tasks that she needed me to do. But while I was at work on Monday, I actually got word from a friend that she could possibly have the coronavirus, and I was with her the week prior. I was actually here in town visiting family. She stayed with me for like a day and spent the night here at my house with me, and my mom was obviously home as well. And I was like freaking out, but obviously like not mad at her by any means, because I could have potentially been exposed to this virus from like anybody. So it was just like very scary, like not knowing. And she was not going to get results for 5 to 7 days, but as of like yesterday, those results were extended to 14 days. So she got back home, I think on Monday, I think she got home on Sunday or Monday. Wasn't feeling good, went to get tested. And for me, it's been a week since I've been in contact with her. So I think I'll wait it out one more week, and if I'm not okay, then I will do what I have to do to get myself checked out and stuff. But just the uncertainty and like knowing that I could possibly be exposed to the virus, or just not knowing if I even have it, is just like so scary. So I ended up telling HR, because HR was the only one at the office and the front desk, and all of the on-air personalities were at work as well. So I ended up telling her, just like let her know. She immediately was like, you need to go home. Like, she was like, you need to go home, like let me know as soon as you can, like when you hear from your friend, because I was still needed to go into work Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, I believe, to cover the front desk so she can have a break and stuff, and to do like some things around the office. So my boss ended up texting me that night saying for me not to come into work at all until I found out if my friend has it or if I have it, because obviously I don't want to like contaminate the studio. I don't want to contaminate the office. I don't want to expose any people that are coming in to pick up prizes or whatever. I came home that day, just kind of like slept, honestly. Like I was just like so like, I had the worst migraine. I just slept all day. This color is really pretty, but you have to blend out a lot. I slept like all day, and I was just like kind of like in a funk. So on Tuesday, I just kind of was just like not really in the mood. It was just, again, like an off day for me, where I just kind of did nothing all day. Like, the only like I think productive thing I did was walk my dog twice, but that was basically it. I just kind of just chilled. And then on Wednesday, I got up, I felt a little bit better. I took like a photo for Instagram. I was feeling, I feel like, more positive, more at ease. The whole like stressing out part was not really getting to me anymore, because I was like, okay, like it's gonna be okay, we're gonna get through this. I was just being more positive, I was more in prayer, and I just felt better. And then I feel like it was like so good that day, and then like around like, I don't even know, like around 3 or 4 o'clock, I was just like out. Like I took a nap. I took like a 3-hour nap. And oh, the other thing too, like, all staff ended up getting an email saying that our office is officially closed until April the 3rd. So that was a really hard pill to swallow, knowing that I am going to be out of work. And since I work part-time, I don't know the whole pay situation. I don't know if we're going to get paid or not. I asked my boss, and she told me to reach out to HR, but I haven't yet, because I have a feeling like obviously like we're not going to get paid, and that's like my main source of income. I also just got a job at a boutique, and they're closed until like further notice as well. So I feel like all of my sources of income are like drastically like going away. And obviously like I do not make, I'm gonna be real with y'all, like I do not make a lot of money from Instagram or YouTube or sponsorships, like, and I feel like now is kind of like a really bad time to be an influencer, because you're not gonna get any brand deals right now. Like there's like there goes my brush. Oh, it's probably dirty now. But I feel like right now it's just like a really like scary time for influencers, because like who's gonna reach out to us, and who's gonna want to collaborate and for us to produce content? Like we can't even leave our houses to go like take pictures. So how, like, oh my gosh, it's just like so much. And to top it all off, my mom is a substitute teacher, so the schools in Texas are closed, I believe, until I want to say the 3rd. So we're basically off for the exact amount of time, and we're both out of work. So that's just very scary. Thankfully, I feel like I have 2 more paychecks coming in, so I think I'll be okay. But it's just scary, like not knowing the future, not knowing if you're gonna have enough money to pay your bills. It's just a very scary time right now as far as like financially. Like I was just like so stressed out. I was crying the other day, because I'm like, how am I gonna pay for my car? How am I gonna pay for my car insurance? How am I gonna pay for my phone bill? I just was like freaking out. Like I don't know how I'm gonna pay for anything, because I don't have a job right now. Like I have a job, but we're closed. Both of my jobs are closed. I feel for the people who lost their jobs completely due to this virus. It's just, it's a very scary time. Like, so for the shimmer shade, I actually just went in with the teal next to it called Pool Party. Such a pretty color. Just like this blue teal shade. I thought it would look good mixed with this. It looks like a little like ombre-y, like it's like a darker, and then I don't know what I'm saying. I don't know makeup terminology. But yeah, it's just like a very, very scary time right now for people who are self-employed, who are working for schools, people who have part-time jobs, people who are servers. And obviously, like, my boyfriend is still in California, so it's really hard, like, not having him here. Like, we're not here to, like, physically, like, support each other, which is really hard. And by support, I mean, like, emotional support. Like, literally, like, it's so hard, yes, going through this without him. I mean, obviously, we talk every day, and we talk, like, all day long, but it's just different when someone is, like, physically here with you, you know? Does that make sense? But I don't know. I feel like I'm going, like, on a tangent now. Like, I feel like this video is all over the place. Am I going to upload this? I don't know. Probably not. So I think that's all I'm going to do for the eyes. I think I'm going to move on into foundation and the rest of my face now. Back to what I was saying before I found out, like, about the whole, like, work closures, the financial aspect. Like, I'm not kidding y'all, like, I'm pretty stressed. I know as of right now, like, my boyfriend's in California. I believe the whole state of California right now is currently on lockdown. I don't think it's, like, really enforced, so I don't know. Like, I know in Italy, like, you actually have to, like, have a document with you. Like, you cannot leave unless you are going to, like, a doctor appointment, or you're going to go to, like, the store or something. I don't think it's like that, but we don't know if, like, it could get like that, or we don't even know if, like, Texas could get like that. So we honestly don't know, like, the next steps. And I think, like, my mom was saying that this could potentially go until August or, like, June or July. Like, like, how, like, oh my god. Okay, so I had to turn the camera off because I could not focus while blending this foundation. I mean, the coverage looks pretty good, but I don't know, like, I feel like that was, like, a lot of work, and I don't know. I don't, the first impressions of this, not a fan. But let's just move on to concealer. So I guess for me, like, getting into a routine, like, helped me out so much. Try to do things to, like, help yourself to better yourself. Do things that make you happy, because it's going to get your mind off things, so you're not going to attract, like, this negative energy. So for powder, I just went in with the Maybelline Fit Me. I use it to set my under eyes, and I also use it to set my whole face as well. And now I'm going to go in with bronzer. I've been using the Hoola bronzer, but I think for today I want to go in with my shirt's already with the butter bronzer. If you are currently, like, going through any of these things, as far as, like, losing your job or being off work, or, like, feeling the same stresses that I'm feeling with, like, let me know down below. Like, I want to, like, have a conversation with you. Like, let's just talk about it, because you are not alone, y'all. Like, I cannot tell y'all, like, how unmotivated I was. And I kept seeing people, like, say, like, now more than ever is the time to, like, make TikToks, make YouTube videos, like, post content. And I'm just like, I wasn't there. Like, it just, like, nothing was inspiring me. Like, I just wanted to just do nothing. I just wanted to, like, lay in my bed and watch Netflix and watch YouTube videos. Like, I just didn't want to do anything. But yeah, what I was trying to say is, like, I just wanted, like, I just felt so uninspired. So uninspired. And there was, like, so many influencers saying, like, come on, like, do this, do that. And I was just like, that's great, but no. But now I feel inspired. I feel good. I feel good about things, and I want to, like, make content. Do I want to do, like, a nose contour? Let's see. I need to focus, so I'm not talking. Now we're gonna blend this baby out. Gosh, my brows look horrible. It looks so bad. So my eyebrows are microbladed, but they kind of faded a little bit, so I'm just gonna go in with this e.l.f. kind of brown gel and just fill them in. Make them look a little bit back to normal. I think I'm gonna go in with the shade Hunt. It's this, like, kind of orange, like, terracotta shade. I'm gonna see how that looks. Oh, hopefully I do not mess this up, because I don't know what I'm doing right now, but I just kind of want, I wish I had, like, a pink. Oh, I don't have, like, a pink, do I? I don't have a pink shade. Okay, so I'm back. I don't know why, but I just went ahead and finished off my eyes and put on lashes, because I just feel like I needed to concentrate, and I just wasn't concentrating by talking so much. And I feel like I was, like, all over the place. I gave me time to reassess what I wanted to kind of close this video off with. But for lashes, I have the Kiss lashes in number 01. They are my favorite. They're so good. So just pop those on. Oh yeah, that was the last thing I left off on. The under eye color. I went in with that like Punch color from the JACLYN Hill palette. I like it, but I feel like this turns it more into like a vampy look, not so much like a fun bright look. I feel like I should have gone with like a purple color or something. I'm just gonna line my lips with the MAC strip down liner. I'm gonna go with Velvet. Oh my gosh, the sun came out to play today, y'all. Oh, okay, so I just had a little mini meltdown with my lips. I thought I had a nude lip color and I don't. Hopefully this like color looks okay. Normally like when I do like a heavy eye, I do like a more neutral nude lip. This is more on the neutral side, but it is kind of like bam, like out there, so hopefully it's okay. And now I'm going to go in and finish the bottom mascara. Alright, so the bottom lashes are done. I'm going to go in and set my face now with this like rose milk mist spray. It doesn't really, it's not going to do nothing, but it just feel like it'll make me feel better because I don't have my Milani setting spray. I ran out of it. I totally just ate all that. So the makeup is done. I feel like I need to like do my hair now and then it'll all come together. So I'll be right back. Alright you guys, I am back. I went ahead and curled my hair. Actually I haven't curled my hair since like Saturday, so it felt really good to just do the hair. And actually, okay, it changed a couple things on my makeup because I just was not feeling it. I wasn't happy with it. I actually went ahead and took off that like orange shade down here and I went ahead and just popped in some of that blue shade on my lower lash line, and then I changed out that lip and then did the MAC strip down liner and then just put over on top this Dose of Colors really beautiful lip gloss. So that's what I did. I feel like it looks a lot better. It looks more toned down a little bit. I don't know, I just wasn't liking that like orange shade on the lower lash line, and I don't know, I feel like it is not really what I envisioned, but I still like it. I just want to close out this video and just say that thank you guys so much for obviously watching if you've been here this far. And again, like if you have been struggling like I have this past week, just get yourself into a routine, change your clothes. You don't even have to get dressed up. Like you don't have to put on like jeans and like a nice shirt. Like you can literally just like change from like your PJs you slept into like fresh PJs or just put on workout clothes. Like I'm telling you guys, like I put on a workout outfit yesterday. I was up, I took Ranger on a walk, I went to the grocery store, I found eggs. Praise God, I found eggs. And then I came home, made breakfast, and then I cleaned for like hours. So yesterday it felt so good just to do that. And today I got up this morning, I put on my workout clothes, I took Ranger on a walk, I ate breakfast, and now I'm here filming a video and I'm gonna edit it. And it's just been a very, very, very productive day, just changing up those small things throughout your day. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this makeup look. I feel like it was all over the place and I feel like I talked all over the place, but thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.